Yo, what is up? Jess here. I'm still in this traffic. I just wanted to shut the camera down for a minute. That way Derek can split up the video. I don't want to let it roll more than like 15 minutes in here doing this. But yes, still on the Mass Pike. I just shut the camera off and I turned it back on again. See how long we're going to be in this. Still creeping along for 3 to 6 miles an hour in a 65 zone on a pay road. And for some reason, the thing about this Mass Pike is this is very common on the Mass Pike. I mean, you know, it's a toll road, it's an expensive road to use, and this is the norm, you know. And their excuse is probably, well, we're working on the roads. We got to pave them. We got to do what we got to do. But it's like they should do it. They got to come up with a better system than this. I mean, and you know, when it gets like this, you know, another thing they probably should do when it's like this, they should not charge the people that are on this road. I mean, every driver on this road is paying a toll to be on here, and it's like, might as well be on a side road. You know, driving a tractor trailer like what I'm driving, you know, I can't just pull off the highway and go off on a, you know, on a side road somewhere, because there's a lot of residential areas, a lot of low bridges that big trucks can't go through. So it's like, you know, you got to kind of just stick with it. I know this area pretty well. And I also know where I'm at right now. I'm better off just to stay on the Pike. So right about here is where it funnels down into one lane. And hopefully, once it funnels down into one lane, because it's funneling down about right here, once it funnels down into one lane, maybe it will start picking up a little bit. Instead of going 5 or 6 miles an hour, maybe we'll be going 30, 35 miles an hour in a 65 zone. That's a little more stomachable anyway. I mean, okay, so now it's funneled down into one lane, so everybody here is in a single file. And all right, so now we're creeping up a bit. We're doing about 20. I'm creeping up to 20 miles an hour. Well, it's a little better. Alright, so we're finally through it. I had my Jake brakes on it, so I had a little problem shifting. Alright, finally made it through. So I guess that wasn't too bad. It was only about a 30-minute delay overall. So I'm happy again. Alright everybody, peace out.